Are you ready to transform your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? Look no further. In this powerful video, I guide you step by step on how to build a successful online business from scratch. Plus, I have a special surprise in store for you if you're ready to take action today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to dive into the exciting world of online entrepreneurship. Stay tuned until the end to discover your path to online success. Hey there, my name is Ivan and welcome to FrequencyClick, your go-to source for online business tips and advice. If you're looking to start an online business but don't know where to begin, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of building an online business from scratch. Before starting, if it's not already done, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step to building an online business is to choose your niche. Your niche is the specific area that your business will focus on. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and have some expertise in. This will make it easier for you to create content and products that resonate with your target audience. Let's take the fitness niche as an example. If you're passionate about fitness and have some expertise in the area, you could choose to create an online business focused on helping people get fit and healthy. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to conduct some market research. This will help you to identify your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. In the fitness niche, you could start by researching popular fitness trends and products. You could also look at social media platforms and online forums to see what people are talking about and what questions they're asking related to fitness. Step 3. Define your unique value proposition. Your unique value proposition is what sets your business apart from the competition. It's the unique benefit that you offer to your customers that they can't get from anyone else. In the fitness niche, your UVP could be that you offer personalized fitness plans tailored to each individual's goals and fitness level. These could set you apart from other fitness businesses that offer generic workout plans. Step 4. Develop your brand identity. Your brand identity is how you present your business to the world. It includes your business name, logo, website design, and overall aesthetic. In the fitness niche, you could choose a business name that reflects your unique value proposition, such as Fit Plan. You could also use colors and images that convey health and fitness, such as green and images of people working out. Step 5. Create your website. Your website is the foundation of your online business. It's where you'll showcase your products and services, provide valuable content to your audience, and interact with your customers. When creating your website, make sure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. It should also clearly communicate your unique value proposition and the benefits of your products and services. Step 6. Build your email list. Building an email list is one of the most effective ways to grow your online business. By collecting email addresses from your website visitors and customers, you can stay in touch with them and promote your products and services. In the fitness niche, you could offer a free fitness guide or workout plan in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Step 7. Create valuable content. Creating valuable content is essential for attracting and engaging your target audience. These could include blog posts, videos, social media posts, and more. In the fitness niche, you could create workout videos, healthy recipes, and fitness tips to provide value to your audience. Step 8. Promote your business. Now that you have a website and content, it's time to start promoting your business. You can use social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and other tactics to get your business in front of your target audience. It's important to track your results and adjust your strategy based on what's working and what's not. Step 9. Monetize your business. There are several ways to monetize your online business, including selling digital or physical products, offering services, affiliate marketing, and more. It's important to choose the monetization strategy that aligns with your business goals and target audience. Step 10. Continuously improve. Building an online business is an ongoing process, and it's important to continuously improve and refine your strategy based on feedback and results. Keep track of your metrics, analyze your data, and make adjustments as needed to ensure the success of your business. To sum it up, building an online business from scratch takes time, effort, and dedication. But it's possible for anyone with the right mindset and strategy. By following these steps, you can start and grow a successful online business that allows you to live life on your own terms. If you find this content helpful, please show your support by smashing the like button and sharing it with others who may benefit. Additionally, if you have any further tips, suggestions, or inquiries, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I look forward to hearing from you. It's natural to want a better life, but the key is to not just dream about it, take action, even if it's difficult. Remember, every great achievement begins with a small step, and the path to success is often paved with obstacles. However, with perseverance and determination, you can overcome those challenges and turn your dreams into a reality. So, don't hesitate any longer. Start taking those steps towards the life you truly desire. To help you in that process, here is the bonus. Check this out. Before being here on YouTube, I was overthinking. I was hesitating. Like anybody in this world, I have my fears. I spent a lot of money in the process to build a solid business. I used traditional options like talking to friends, searching investors and others. I'm not saying I did everything correctly, but I truly put my efforts and hard work to level up my life and be able to help my beloved ones. In that process, I said to myself that even if I'm not finding yet what I'm looking for, I will never give up, as I know one thing: nobody will realize my dreams for me. I have to come out of my comfort zone. In fact, it's only when you're out of your comfort zone that you learn new stuff. That's how one day I discovered a piece of advice that changed a lot of things for me. It was about learning step by step how to start your online business from scratch and create passive income, learning all the skills needed in that process. So I jumped into a challenge where I've learned, and I'm still learning a lot. When I discover something special, a game changer, I don't keep it for me. That's why today, the special bonus I prepared for you. If you are truly ready to come out of your comfort zone and learn step by step today how to build your own online business starting from zero, I only have one last thing for you to do. Click on the link in the description of this video. You will get access to a totally free video of me where I'm talking about this process, which can also help you to empower yourself. This is not a get-rich-quick program. We strongly believe in hard work, dedication, skills development, integrity, and honesty to empower ourselves. Finally, there are affiliate links in this post, meaning at no additional cost to you, I will be compensated if you click through and take action. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.